Finally made it to Jay's channel.
What's good, people? I'm out here in LA.
Let's go.
California, and I forgot what I was gonna say. It's a good start.
That's the intro. Fuck yeah, straight to the beat.
Yo, what's good, everyone? I'm out here in LA with my guy Lifestyle. It's about time we linked up. A lot of people have been requesting it, so had to make the 12-hour flight to get here just for this one session. Don't really know what we're gonna cook up, but my guy is sick with R&B. A lot of people know me for drill, so we're thinking about even making some R&B drill, chill drill, sexy drill, or something like that anyway. We'll see. Let's get straight into it, man. You want to start the melody?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah?
That'd probably be the best. All right, we're on a time crunch.
Yeah, usually when I record, I spend like 2 hours filming.
Oh shit, all right, let's go.
Mostly because I overthink a lot of stuff. But
Oh,
whenever
yeah.
I'm in a session, it's just like,
quicker.
You don't really have the time to overthink. You just run with your first ideas, don't you? So it's usually a lot quicker in the session.
Let's do like Rhodes maybe?
All
What
right.
would be the best to pull up for that?
Analog Lab, Addictive Keys. So you usually record keys in.
Yeah, so it's gonna definitely be interesting to make this.
Did you train yourself on keys?
Yes, so that's why when it comes to typing in,
Yeah.
it's not hard, but I'm just
It's just a bit more weird. I guess you're used to the hand positions, aren't you?
Yeah, for sure. That's like that's the part that's definitely like different, and then it's easier for me to just like kind of freestyle.
Right. Do you make a lot of beats outside of your videos? Or is it just whenever you need to film, you're cooking up?
That's the hard part, because I feel like with content, how much we have to make of it, I don't have much time to like just cook up. So that's why I really like doing these sessions and stuff, because then you can just like, I know we're still doing it, but it's just like
Way more natural.
yeah, it's hard to, you're making tutorials, so you're always explaining what you're
Yeah.
doing, and then you're whatever editing or making reels or doing this or thinking, you know, there's like a million things to do, and then trying to like live normal life. So like it kind of sucks.
It's
I
like
guess
a luxury, isn't it, to
Yeah.
just make beats?
command click, okay, and then it was option. See, bro, I'm telling you, it's just cook.
Funny,
Party out
anyone
there.
who's watching this video, they would have seen this like same room in so many vlogs. It's like I fly all the way out here and then I get the same pirate studio. We can get back home.
Or they don't know.
Yeah.
They're just looking for like, you might be lying. We might be out there. See, like right here, I'd want to like freestyle.
You know, if you right click on that,
This one.
right click on there, and then you set the scale that you're working in,
yeah,
and then
that's
everything's
smart.
just in the
I don't-
right key then.
What did I go to? C minor. I don't even know what notes I'm hitting, because I want it to go like. Okay, so D,
sounds
F, H.
Yo, real quick, I just opened up the waitlist for the Drill Production Course 2.0, and if you're serious about making drill beats, you'll want to get in on this. I first launched the course back in 2022, and it was a huge success. Hundreds of producers leveled up with it, but drill's evolved so much since then. Now we've got subgenres like sexy drill, hood trap, Jersey drill, and Afro drill. So I've added 4 brand new modules covering everything you need to stay ahead. Inside you'll learn modern sound selection, melody creation, drum sequencing, mixing, arrangement, marketing, and so much more, all in a step-by-step process that's easy to follow, whether you're a beginner or you're already making beats. Look, I've almost dropped 500 free YouTube videos, but those videos always have to be condensed to meet the YouTube algorithm. It could take days to find the exact tricks you need. That's why this course brings everything together in one place with over 15 hours of in-depth content, so you can quickly find what you need and level up fast, whether it's a specific style of drill, networking with artists, or even marketing your beats. And to make it even crazier, I'm throwing in hundreds of dollars worth of modern kits, exclusive tutorials, FL Studio project files, direct feedback from me, and way more. And if you join the waitlist, you'll get a huge discount, so don't miss out. Just click the link in the description to join now, and let's get back into the video.
What for a pad?
Could go
Analog Labs?
Analog Lab, yeah.
Go get all your kits at jcactus.com, bro. This is a sponsored advertisement. He's gonna pay me for this. Right? That's what you said.
Yeah, I'll get you a coffee or something after.
Yeah, that's
That's hard.
I've been messing around with this depth right here recently and the rate because it gives like the tail of the reverb like a chorus, which is really cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, hold on, that would be crazy right here. The last time we moved the couch and a big ass bottle of Hennessy popped out. I was like, all right, bro. Someone just killed that shit. But I was like, they definitely had to be like, they knocked out, right? Because you probably fell asleep and slid that shit on the couch. Yeah, we moved it, just popped up. I was like, this is the most, like.
I feel like people just come to Pirate and have a full party here. It's like they don't even make music.
It was really clean. This one's actually like super clean. Is there any like leads on it? Or is it just like real simple like this?
You could use leads.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe after.
To be honest.
I think this is good.
Yeah.
I'm about to delete everything I just made.
Oh yeah, the mouse is bugging a bit.
A little bit, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's your computer though. I think it's just the mouse. Shit mouse.
Yeah, thanks for bringing it, but next time just leave
All right,
it at
sorry,
home.
dude. You don't want me to leave it because then me trying to cook up like that.
I have all the main like sexy drill sounds on here. There's like a certain bass that we're using like a lot.
Fucking love snaps on shit like this too when it's like in the middle, like the smooth ones. So clean. That's my favorite part too, just the two snaps. It's so much bounce. I don't know why. Fucking loop points, man. When I first started producing, that would happen. I'd have no idea how to fix it. I'd go on and like sound keeps playing over and over again. Why?
And it'd be like a busy tutorial, Visual Experience explaining. Sometimes for like sexy drill, because we're not using like a kick in this part, I'd usually like keep those in the middle.
Kind of act like a
acting
kick.
As the kick.
You had fun making that
kind of skippy, yeah.
Sounds fun. Shit's hard.
Instant bounce.
Is this like the first UK stuff you've made over here so far?
I think so, you know.
You're making a bunch of Cali shit, huh?
Yeah. When I arrange it, I usually have like the stomp in one part, then I swap the stomp out for a kick, and then maybe bring in something like the spins and have that in one part.
It'd be hard. Should drop some collab shit on. Do you upload on Spotify?
Yeah, I do actually. Yeah, I do a little bit. We should drop some stuff, shouldn't we?
I'm down. That's a cool way to collab
there
too.
as well?
Yeah, all my beats, and then I put them at the end of my videos. Right now, I had a couple of like TikToks. All my TikToks usually get like 1,000 views. Just fucking flop. But I had 2 of them right now. One of them's at like 200 something for the first time, and everyone's like, "Where's the full beat?" So, like some West Coast shit. So that's kind of where I'm finding my fun with it. So I'll cook up right on my own, and then think of like a cool way to like finesse it on like TikTok or Instagram for reels.
Yeah.
And then post it on Spotify. So then technically I can still make beats for fun and then promote it.
But it's happened with other beats where I've just like uploaded them, and then I'll look like a few months later and it's done like 100K, and I'm like, that's so random, because some will get like 1,000 streams or something, and then every now and again you'll just get one that does some good numbers.
Right.
You just never know. just every genre you can think of, just the spins finds its way in there. Like,
yeah.
We didn't use the spins in drill for a long time, and then someone started using like the Zay as like the first hit, and then the drill one in between, and that was fire. And then people started using the spins, and then that just made it take off. Yeah. But somehow it just wiggles its way into like every genre. Add any little finishing touches? Sprinkles?
I keep a lot of, when I'm making beats, I still would think of like leaving room for the artist.
Yeah.
So like if I have to think what else I can hear, I kind of just
yeah.
So I think it's clean, yeah. Actually extremely smooth. The fact that works both ways too, like from one to the other.
Okay.
Have to do that. The J Cactus hit knock me out, bro. Fucking pass out.
Oh, something up in there. Sounded way low. What was that track? Something's carrying over.
Yeah. I saw you do that on one of them, but I don't remember what it was.
There we go.
If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my boy, hit that subscribe button now.
And to Lifestyle.
No, just Jay, bro. If you're on this video right now and you made it this far in the video and you still haven't subscribed, that is insanity.
This is how we could prove where we are, because I've got the UK plug, but no UK outlet.
Wait, this might be the end, huh? We might be cooked. This is it. This is a perfect outro. You see, it just naturally works.
To finish it. No laptop battery.
You gotta show that, otherwise we're live. Oh, it's on the screen.
I'll show you.
Perfect. Yeah, we edited it in.
That's not a UK outlet. Can't plug in there. So that's it, bro.
There it is. This was an honest beat too.
Yeah.
So it worked out. I'm so happy, because if we would have made some trash, it would have had to get posted too.